Same thing applies for this. Once you have opened the application, all you have to do is just pretty much set your password. You can select whichever application you want to lock right at the get-go. So if you don't know much about the application, you can just pretty much select one app that, let's say, you might not really use, just test out the application. So I'm going to select something that I haven't used in a while, like let's say one of these applications here, and I tap on the lock option here. Also will ask you to set the permissions here, so do make sure you do that as well. So once I've selected them, I will just redirect to my settings, and I just go ahead and set them up quickly and also allow these features. So that's how very simple it is. But once you have done that, you pretty much can see all the unlocked apps and also the labs that you have locked on this application here. So that's how simple it is to use, guys. So if you want to unlock an application or remove the lock on application, you just tap on the lock icon here and tap on unlock. You're pretty much good to go. Or if you want to add a lock or lock an application here, just tap on the search icon and look for what you want to lock. Let's say you want to lock Facebook, you just tap on the lock icon here, and that's pretty much it. That's how simple it is to use. Also, just tap on the lock icon again to unlock that application. And also they have the vault feature, which pretty much you can upload video, images, music that you want to hide and add it to this section here. Only you'll be able to access those videos and files. Also, you have the Intruder Selfie mode. If they are trying to open one of your apps and pretty much do not know the password, it will automatically take a selfie of them and without them even knowing. So a very good feature there as well. So at the top here, you may need a subscription as it relates to some of the features, and pretty much no ads, as you can see. But you also have the fake crash feature here and so forth. But here you have a 3 days free trial, which you can test out their pro, all of their features, and see if it's really worth the subscription. And if it does, you can pretty much continue with the application. But application is very good application, not gonna lie. And I would recommend to anyone who want to protect their apps or protect anyone that probably want to open one of the application without them knowing. So yeah, very easy to use. And if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. In this section, you have some other security features which you can add as well. Nothing much, some basic security features. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next time.